It's made in India, made for India, and also possibly made for the world when we start exporting it. So it's a great national pride. I am sure over the entire life cycle period of the aircraft, it is going to be one of the matchless aircraft in its category. Great moral booster for HAL as well as for ADA in a sense that it is a sort of recognition to their capabilities that yes, the country has a faith in them and they will be able to deliver a homegrown fighter aircraft in good time frames. This is also important for HAL in two more ways. HAL will be able to contribute directly to the concept of Make in India or being Atmanirbhar in aerospace manufacturing. And also the expertise developed on this project that will be very helpful to HAL for further improvements and refinements possibly on Mark II and also on AMCA. Those are the futuristic projects. So this project means a lot to HAL in terms of recognition and also in terms of contribution. When we talk of LCA project, we talk of that 140 design partners spread all over the country. And some 500 vendors have contributed on this project. In fact, it is the best and fittest example of the national integration and spread of national capabilities all over India. The current indigenization level, which is about 50%, is going to be increased to 65%. That means more and more role contribution by the Indian vendors. And also, let me tell you that apart from immediate generation of the employment and contribution to the GDP of the country, when we talk of the aircraft, we are talking of next 30 years of maintenance. That means there is going to be a lot of opportunity available for Indian vendors in terms of the maintenance, repair, and overall facilities. So this project means that it is basically next 30 years that our design agencies will be busy, our maintenance agencies will have a lot of work, lot of employment will be generated, GDP will be improved upon, and this will lay foundation for the future projects. So that is why our Honorable Raksha Mantri is on the record saying that this project will be a game changer for Indian defense manufacturing. It is special in two ways. Number one, it's made in India, made for India, and also possibly made for the world when we start exporting it. So it's a great national pride. Number two, especially LCA Mark 1A. It is a 4+ generation aircraft with 4 very special systems installed on it. That is, one is active electronically scanned array radar, which will give you situational awareness to some 16 targets at one time. Then we use beyond visual range missiles like Derby and Astra Mark 1, which gives it a very good strike capability. Then we have electronic warfare suits. We have air-to-air refueling, giving an extended range to the aircraft. So when we look at the overall characteristics of the aircraft, this provides a very good support for air offenses and will also have excellent survival capabilities. What I understand is that HAL has already augmented its production capacity from 8 aircrafts per year to 16 aircrafts per year by doing a capacity upgrade in Nasik and Bangalore. And with this order, now they will also be coming with a third line of the integration and assembly. With that, as far as HAL is concerned, they will be able to meet the deadlines for the manufacture of this aircraft. But at this stage, we should also remember one thing. HAL is not the only player on this aircraft program. It is a program exhibiting great synergy between HAL, Aeronautical Design Agency, and Indian Air Force. So role of all these 3 agencies will be very important if we have to meet the cost and time lines of future. That is why what we have been advocating with the government is that national projects, they need national supervisory teams. They just cannot be left to a single organization. A supervisory team on a continuity of the thought process basis, where I think the former air chiefs, the former defense secretaries, former chairmen of HAL and DRDO, they can be on that national supervisory team and they will give a direct feedback to the political leadership should there be any intervention required. So a national project will need a national team. As far as the HAL efforts are concerned, yes, they are in line and they are taking full care that aircrafts are delivered in time. Hopefully we will, the way things are going on.
कैसा लगा ये वीडियो हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं, और अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर भी करें, और हमारे चैनल एशियानेट न्यूज़ हिंदी को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और इसके नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं।